What's unemployment? Imagine a factory that plans to build 1 million smartphones this year. To make that many phones, the factory needs 1,000 workers to operate machines, assemble parts, inspect quality, and pack products.
Now, the company announces that it has 1,000 vacancies. Now, let's say 800 people want that job. Here, labor demand equals 1,000 workers. Labor supply equals 800 workers. Because demand is greater than supply, there is a shortage of 200 workers. The factory hires all 800 applicants, meaning everyone who applied gets a job.
In this scenario, unemployment is 0. Now, suppose the economy slows down. This time, the factory drops its production target to 700,000 smartphones. Now, it only needs 700 workers. But let's say 1,000 people are currently looking for work.
Here, labor demand equals 700 workers. Labor supply equals 1,000 workers. Because demand is less than supply, the company only hires the 700 workers it needs.
That means 300 people are left jobless. This is called unemployment. Now, unemployment is greater than 0.
Frictional unemployment. It is temporary unemployment while a person is looking for a new job. For example, a university graduate looking for their first job, and someone who quits a job to find a better one. Cyclical unemployment. It is temporary unemployment caused by a slowdown in the economy. From the before example, assume a smartphone company usually sells 100,000 smartphones per month. So it hires 1,000 workers to manufacture those phones. Now imagine, things in the broader economy change. People have less money to spend, so sales drop, and they buy only 50,000 smartphones per month. Since the company now needs to produce only 50,000 smartphones, it no longer needs all 1,000 workers. It lays off 500 workers. Those 500 workers are now cyclically unemployed. This happens because overall spending drops, businesses produce less, and the whole economy slows down. And this is called a recession.
Structural unemployment. This type of unemployment is caused by long-term changes in technology or a shift in the skills needed for jobs. Example, a factory worker loses their job because robots now do the work. Institutional unemployment. It is caused by labor market rules or government policies. Example, a tech startup avoids hiring full-time software engineers and uses freelancers instead because labor regulations make permanent hiring more expensive.